Hi everyone and welcome back to Mum Dad. I'm going to show you how to fix a common problem with a Ford Focus, Ford C-Max, Mark III, Mark II, is that the door, you've got on the doors, you've got the rubber seal. There's issues with them adhering to the door, and usually it occurs at the bottom of the door, just right here. So usually this part of the rubber seal, if you can see it, starts going away and just hanging down, and I suppose there's a risk of you getting water coming into the car, and especially if the rubber seal kind of fails further round at the top. So I've seen videos on YouTube where people use double-sided tape or glue, but that's a real temporary fix, and if you don't want it to move, there's another thing you can do which is much more permanent, is to use silicone. So I've got silicone here, so it's just a standard, any kind of silicone really that you can use, and you just pull the trim away, apply quite a thick seam of silicone to it if possible. You're probably best using like a black silicone, much more in fitting with the car, especially if it's an area where you can actually see it more, like around the top of the doors. You'd really want to make sure that that's is better, especially in areas where you can see it. But at the bottom of the door here, it's no problem at all. It's just you can't really see it, so I've just used a white silicone, and I've just fixed this. I actually fixed this about 1.5 years ago, and it's not moved. It stayed exactly the same, and it's way better than it was when it left the factory. Actually, it's completely firm, not moving at all, and it's the equipment that I use is just standard silicone. Like I say, pretty best making sure it's black. Cost you about £7 or £8, and for the gun itself, maybe another few more pounds. And very easy fix. All you do is apply it to this area here, and then just stick it on. You might just want to make sure that the area is clean as well before you do it. And like I say, I've done that about 1.5 years ago, and it's not moved, so that's a very easy fix for you. Okay, thanks for watching Mum Dad. See you again soon. Bye.